Hi, I'm Lonny Rose. I'm from Coral Gables, Florida. Shadow juries can be a very effective means of testing our messages that we send to juries. The selection of a shadow jury is critical. When we know as much about juries as we do, we can try to select people who come from the same demographic area. But what we also are concerned about is matching up with the attitudes, the beliefs, and the values that the jurors have in that particular courtroom. So to the extent that we have discovered those in the jury selection procedure, we will replicate that as far as the shadow jury is concerned. When we don't know, or when we haven't had a chance to ask that many questions about the jurors and about their attitudes and beliefs, what we simply try to do is to replicate their demographics. In doing so, what we attempt to do is to set up the shadow jury in an area of the courtroom where they are free from outside influences. And we ask them not to discuss the case and to act just as if they were the real jurors. One of the things that we have a tendency to do at the end of each day is to ask questions of our shadow juries to find out from them what they remember about the day. That can be very problematic. What we really should be finding out from the jurors is what they react to in both the presentation of the lawyers and the facts that they have seen, without a view towards trying to get them to come to a verdict every single afternoon. By doing so, they'll get that stream of information and that stream of consciousness that regular jurors have. And while we do know that jurors have a tendency to reflect upon the day, each day, as they go back to their homes or to their hotel rooms, we don't want to force our shadow juries to come up with a verdict. At the end of each day, we'll ask those questions and use them for the forming of our patterns and our attitudes for the next day, and the questioning processes that we'll use for later on.